Hi students, welcome back to the channel of Mukesh Sir's Group Tuitions. This is the 8th lecture of differentiation. We continue the sums on implicit functions. So you have done problems on implicit function. The next question is find dy by dx if x raised to y is equal to y raised to x. That's your question. Okay. So they have given x raised to y is equal to y raised to x. Now you can't differentiate this directly. This is an implicit function because x and y are together. These are non-separable. Now you can't differentiate this directly because it is variable raised to variable, or you can say function raised to function. नीचे भी वेरिएबल है, ऊपर भी वेरिएबल है. इसको सॉल्व करने के लिए whenever we have variable raised to variable का terms we take log. So we write taking log on both the sides, right? So if I say taking log on both the sides, so on taking log to the base e, you get y log x is equals to x log y. Y log x is equals to x log y. Now you can say differentiating with respect to x. So you get differentiating with respect to x में both the sides you have two functions का product है ना. यहाँ पे y into log x है और यहाँ पे x into log y है. तो जब भी दो functions का product होगा तो you have to apply u into v. You have to apply u into v. So we apply u into v का rule. So that becomes y into log x का derivative is 1 by x plus log x into y का derivative is dy by dx. So u into derivative of v plus v into derivative of u equals to the same u into v is being applied in the right hand side also. So यहाँ पे भी आपको u into v apply करना है x into log y के लिए. This is u and this is v. So u is x. So x into log y का derivative. Log y का derivative is 1 upon y into derivative of y plus log y into x का derivative is 1. Clear? So it's x into log y का derivative is 1 upon y dy by dx plus log y into x का derivative is 1. So now you can write this as y by x plus log x dy by dx equals to x upon y dy by dx plus log y, right? Now we have to shift all dy by dx terms in the LHS है ना. तो सब dy by dx terms को LHS में लाइए और बाकी terms को RHS में. तो यहाँ पे हम लोग dy by dx वाला टर्म को इधर शिफ्ट करेंगे एंड टेक dy by dx कॉमन. टेक dy by dx कॉमन. सो शिफ्ट करके कॉमन लिया, यू विल गेट log x minus x upon y into dy by dx. I have shifted the term and I have taken dy by dx common, and here you get log y minus y upon x. Now here we have to cross multiply the terms, so you get y log x minus x the whole upon y into dy by dx, और यहाँ पे भी क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करने के x log y minus y upon x. Clear to all? So y log x minus x upon y dy by dx, and here you get x log y minus y, right? Now we cross multiply the terms, so you get dy by dx. You get therefore dy by dx will be equals to, so when you cross multiply you get y upon x, y upon x into x log y minus y, okay, एंड डिनोमिनेटर आपको मिलेगा y log x minus x. Clear? So that's the answer. So dy by dx is equal to y upon x log y minus y upon y log x minus x. So the same method, differentiate. यहाँ पे variable raised to variable था, so we differentiate, shift all dy by dx terms in the LHS, the other terms in the RHS, take dy by dx common and cross multiply, get the answer there. Clear? Let's go to the next example. So here second example is, if log of x plus y is equals to log xy plus a, then show that dy by dx is equals to minus y square upon x square. So let's start with the given equation, what is being given there. So start the solution here. They have given log of x plus y, right? Log of x plus y is equal to log of xy plus a. This is the given equation. ये equation दी हुई है, ठीक है ना? Now students, this is something very important. You make mistakes here. Can I take this log inside? I had told you initially there is no rule for log of x plus y. You can't take that log inside, okay? But there is a rule for log of xy. Log of a into b होगा तो you write log a plus log b. So log of xy can be written as log x plus log y. So the left hand side remains the same, log of x plus y will be equals to RHS में आपको मिलेगा log x plus log y plus a is a constant. Now I can say differentiating with respect to x. So if I say differentiating with respect to x, you get log of x plus y का derivative. Log f of x का derivative is 1 upon f of x. So 1 upon x plus y into derivative of x plus y, और यहाँ पे मिलेगा log x का derivative. Log x का derivative is 1 by x plus log y का derivative is 1 upon y into derivative of y plus constant का derivative 0, right? इसको आगे सॉल्व कीजिए. 1 upon x plus y into derivative of x plus y. So into derivative of x plus y will become 1 plus dy by dx, है ना? x का derivative 1 और y का derivative dy by dx. So 1 upon x plus y into derivative of x plus y becomes 1 plus dy by dx is equals to, in the right hand side you have 1 upon x plus 1 upon y dy by dx, right? वो constant का derivative 0 था, so that's gone. Open the brackets here now. So when you open the brackets, इसको अंदर multiply करेंगे तो you get 1 upon x plus y plus 1 upon x plus y dy by dx is equals to 1 by x plus 1 by y dy by dx. Now as usual वही करना है आपको. dy by dx terms को LHS में and dy by dx common and the other terms in the RHS. Clear? So dy by dx यहाँ पे shift करके common ले लो. So you have to shift and take common. You get 1 upon x plus y minus 1 upon y the whole into dy by dx equals to, यहाँ पे मिलेगा 1 upon x minus 1 upon x plus y, right? Now you have to cross multiply and solve this. So when you cross multiply inside the bracket, you get y minus bracket में x plus y, right? The whole divided by y x plus y, right? The whole into dy by dx equal to, RHS में भी क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करना है, you get x plus y minus x upon x into x plus y. Clear? Now चेक करो, इसमें एक टर्म कैंसिल हो रहा है. The denominator का x plus y gets cancelled, right? In the numerators, when you open the brackets here, that y and minus y gets cancelled. In the numerator here, x and minus x gets cancelled. So after these cancellations, you get न्यूमरेटर पे माइनस एक्स अपॉन वाई आएगा, इधर माइनस एक्स अपॉन वाई इंटू डी वाई बाई डी एक्स इक्वल्स टू आर एच एस में कैंसिलेशन के बाद बचेगा वाई अपॉन एक्स, राइट. सो व्हेन यू क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई गेट डी वाई बाई डी एक्स इज इक्वल टू minus of y square upon x square, and you can see in the question you have to prove dy by dx is minus y square upon x square. So that's your final answer. यही हम लोग को prove करना है. You can say hence proved. Fine. So that's your final answer. Done. Let's have one more question. This is a very important question. If log of x cube minus y cube upon x cube plus y cube is equals to 2, यहाँ पे log का base 10 दिया हुआ है, then show that dy by dx is equals to minus 99x square upon 101 y square. Here also you can see the x and y terms are together here in the bracket, right? This is an implicit function. Now for solving this typical question you have a standard method. So let's start the solution here. So they have given log of x cube minus y cube upon x cube plus y cube is equals to 2, and I told you यहाँ पे log का base is given as 10, right? Now you had a rule in log. I'll write the rule here again. आपको एक rule सिखाया था log में. Log of a to the base b is equal to x. That was basically a definition of log. You can convert log into exponential form. So if log of a to the base b is equal to x, then you can say b raised to x is equal to a. Then b raised to x is equals to a. Then b raised to x is equals to a. b raised to x is equals to a. So you apply that rule here. यहाँ पे अगर वो rule use करते हैं हम लोग तो log of the bracket to the base 10 दिया हुआ है, right? So when I apply that rule, you will get x cube minus y cube upon x cube plus y cube is equals to 10 to the power 2. तो 10 square हो जाएगा. Is that clear to all? ध्यान दो सब लोग. log of a to the base b is equal to x है तो b raised to x is equals to a होता है. b raised to x is equals to a. Similarly यहाँ पे 10 to the power 2 will be equal to this term हो जाएगा, right? So I wrote x cube minus y cube upon x cube plus y cube is equals to 10 to the power 2. 10 to the power 2. Clear? You can solve this further now. This 10 to the power 2 becomes 100. Cross multiply now. 10 का square 100 है, cross multiply. So you will get therefore x cube minus y cube is equals to 100x cube plus 100 y cube, right? Now shift like terms on this side. So bring that y term here and x wala term here. So you get minus y cube minus 100 y cube. Minus y cube minus 100 y cube becomes minus 101 y cube is equal to 100x cube minus x cube becomes 99x cube, right? Yes or no? So 101 y cube and minus 101 y cube is equal to 99x cube, or I can write y cube is equals to minus 99 upon 101 x cube. Clear? Now you can say differentiating with respect to x. Now I am differentiating because answer हम लोग को ये form में चाहिए. So if you differentiate y cube का derivative will be 3y square into dy by dx. 3y square into derivative of y with respect to x. Minus 99 upon 101 constant हो बाहर रहेगा. Into x cube का derivative होगा 3x square. 3x square. So you can find that 3 and 3 gets cancelled, right? Cross multiply. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो आपको वो आंसर मिल जाएगा जो क्वेश्चन में पूछा है ना. सो व्हेन यू क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई यू गेट डी वाई बाई डी एक्स. देयरफॉर डी वाई बाई डी एक्स विल बी इक्वल्स टू minus 99x square minus 99x square upon 101y square upon 101 y square. Clear? That's your final answer. यही प्रूव करना हम लोग को. hence proved. Fine. For this question, remember, you have to first eliminate this log. ये log को eliminate करना है. Okay. वो log को eliminate करने के लिए मैंने ये वाला rule use किया. I've converted log into exponential form. So x cube minus y cube on x cube y cube becomes 10 square हो जाएगा. Okay. Then the calculation becomes very easy. So please remember this question. That's very important sum for everyone. Clear? Thank you so much, students. And you can put your request if you have any particular sum as a doubt. Please drop a message below the video. Please subscribe. Please help your other friends to watch the channel so that even they can be benefited. Thank you so much.